to tonight's celebration. On behalf of the Governor of the Reserve Bank of
To the Governor of the Reserve Bank, Mr. Barry Whiteside, the Deputy Governor, Mr. Arif Ali, Permanent Secretary, the stakeholders of the National Financial Inclusion Task Force, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinakra, and a very good evening to all of you. It is definitely my pleasure to be here at the 2015 National Microfinance Awards. I understand this event began in 2013. And this is the first year that the ministry responsible for the micro, small and medium enterprises has been involved. And for this, I'd like to thank the Governor and the Deputy Governor for inviting me and my ministry to today's event. The National Microfinance Awards is the only event, ladies and gentlemen, which honors and recognizes the achievements and contributions of micro entrepreneurs and microfinance service providers in Fiji. Today, 26 microfinance entrepreneurs and service providers will be awarded. And I'm glad to see through this award we are encouraging young Fijians to join the field of business. Ladies and gentlemen, the micro, small and medium enterprises are a very important part of the Fijian economy, accounting for approximately 12% of Fijian gross domestic product and contributing close to $800 million to our economy. The Fijian government has already made significant strides to ignite a spirit of enterprise in Fiji by providing a leg up to ordinary Fijians who are already displaying that spirit and deserve the support. Over the years, firstly the Bainimarama government and now the Fiji First government has committed to developing a resilient and strong economy from within. And what better way to do it than providing the necessary support to the grassroots community. We have invested in the micro, small and medium sector to make them grow and to give them more opportunity to ride the wave of prosperity that our expanding economy is now providing. In January 2012, the government established a small and medium enterprise credit guarantee scheme, which was alluded to earlier by the Reserve Bank Governor, with the aim to provide improved credit access for the small and medium enterprise by enabling government to share part of the loan risk with financial institutions. This facility, ladies and gentlemen, is administered by the Reserve Bank of Fiji, allowing lending institutions to apply for a guarantee cover for micro, small or medium enterprises loans of up to $50,000 each. This scheme has grown to cover over 1,000 loans valued at approximately $62 million. And to date, I'm proud to say that only 2 have actually had claims totaling under $40,000 which have been paid out. And thus we've got a 99.8% success rate of that particular scheme. Micro, small and medium enterprises are exempted from paying income tax. Through the Fijian Made by Fijian campaign also, we are creating awareness amongst the small and medium enterprises of the importance of branding and branding their products. And furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, this year, the Honourable Prime Minister launched his favourite initiative, the Micro and Small Business Grant, which started with the funding of $1 million, but increased to $3 million to support our budding entrepreneurs. We had over 26,000 applications. We actually, after having verified, approved applicants came up to 7,770 odd applicants. We've managed to exhaust the $3 million, and fortunately the Indian government has supported us, and the balance of the successful applicants will be taken care of by the Indian government grant. Through this grant, ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government has thus far supported, and this is an updated figure, Barry, 3,122 micro and small entrepreneurs with a grant of up to $1,000 each, and will continue to assist those who have been successful. These businesses include diverse things such as bee farming, cattle farming, fishing, goat farming, handicrafts, sewing businesses, food catering services, canteens and kiosks, and poultry farming, just to name a few. These 3,122 entrepreneurs have become part of the successful army of small business people that forms the backbone of every successful country. The best part of the initiative is that the Ministry has partnered with the Fiji Development Bank, which will provide an avenue for the micro and small businesses to obtain further financial assistance and assess as they graduate further in their venture. As was announced in the 2016 budget by the Honourable Minister of Finance, because of the popularity of the program, the micro and small business grant funding will increase to $2 million, 2.2 actually. Ladies and gentlemen, we know from the experience in other countries that micro and small and medium enterprises are powerful forces for lifting people out of poverty, of making them more self-sufficient, of giving them a sense of purpose and fulfillment. And many of those who succeed can not only provide for themselves and their families, but can provide employment for others and contribute to the national economy. The Fijian government has taken the support for micro and small and medium enterprises further to include specialized training run by the Department of Cooperatives and National Centre for Small and Medium Enterprises, business mentoring and sorting out new markets for their products. Government will also work towards supporting mechanisms to strengthen linkages between the micro, small and medium enterprises and in supplying raw and intermediate materials and large manufacturing firms in order to ensure sustained domestic value chains. Government acknowledges the need for micro-level approaches that address specific challenges facing small-scale entrepreneurial activity. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, the Ministry will be reviewing the current SME policy framework, together with streamlining the functions of the National Centre for Small and Micro Enterprises Development and improving its functional capabilities to meet the demands of the sector and its stakeholders. Most important for the microfinance sector is the development of a microfinance regulatory framework. This work is currently being undertaken by the Reserve Bank in conjunction with the Solicitor General's Office and my ministry. And additionally, the Fijian government will work with the relevant entities to develop a comprehensive micro, small and medium enterprise database. Ladies and gentlemen, many have gone before you and built successful businesses in Fiji. In fact, small to medium enterprises are a powerful engine of growth in our economy. However small your own businesses may be, and you're already contributing to that growth, I believe that a significant amount of that contribution is going unrecorded. And by putting your own businesses on a more formal footing, we hope to be able to calculate the real value of your contribution to the Fijian economy. Micro, small and medium-sized enterprises can also be places of great innovation in a modern economy, offering new products and services and production techniques. So I urge you all to give them full rein to your imaginations. We look to you as well as our places of learning to fulfill our vision of a cleverer country, and to take Fiji as well as your business to the next level, and to work with the government, larger businesses, civil society, and every Fijian to make our beloved nation great. Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, I want to take the opportunity to congratulate our micro-entrepreneurs and microfinance service providers who have come this far to be awarded and recognized in their service. And I thank the Reserve Bank of Fiji for providing such a platform. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that the recognitions awarded today will not only boost the morale of the businesses, but further build capacities and be the engine of growth for our economy. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Have a nice evening.
Mina is a poultry farmer.